Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech World.
Hello and welcome back to Tech World. In today's tutorial episode, I'll be helping you learn how to log into Midland Bank. Midland Bank was one of the big four banking groups in the United Kingdom for most of the 20th century. It is now part of CBC Bank. To log into Midland Bank account, go to your web browser first. And as soon as you do that, type in www.midlandsb.com and enter ends up in the official website of Midland State Bank. Now in order to log in, click on the login button at the top right corner of the screen. On the left-hand side, you'll see options listed from where you can log into your account. Choose from the list and click on it. In the pop-up, enter your username, and on the next field, enter your password. If you forgot your username or your password, then you can click on the icon to access my account and follow the instructions. Whatever your problem is, you'll be able to solve it in a minute. After you're done entering the credentials, click on the submit button and just like that, you'll be logged into your Midland Data Bank account. Similarly, you can choose other logins and click on it in order to log into the account and the sign-in page. Enter your company ID, your user ID, your password, and click on the login button in order to log in. That is how you can log into Midland State's bank accounts. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'm sure I'll be back with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till